Now this illustration is illustrating hand and arm protection. And of course we can learn quite a bit more about such protection if we review NFPA 70E 130.7C as well as 130.7C 10 little d as in dog. Now notice inspecting gloves before using them. Now we're just talking about a leather glove, but notice the ASTM loop for this particular thing, the American Society for Equipment and so forth. Notice that D120-06 lists requirements for different types of gloves, as well as F below it, the 3 Fs with those standard identification listings there. Now notice if we are wanting to just trap air in a glove because we don't have a pump or anything on hand, you could take the glove as shown in item number 1, give it a whirl, trap the air, take one of your hand and squeeze tight to hold the air into the fingers, and then you would just run your hand down that pressed area and see if you could hear any kind of air escaping as shown in item number 3. So it would be number 1, trap the air, number 2, squeeze the air into the fingers, and number 3, inspect to see if you can hear any kind of air escaping. Now inspecting gloves before using, we kind of have that boxed in, Inspect carefully, examine the gloves for cracks, tears, oxidation and the rubber, and for foreign materials penetrating the rubber in some way. And then, as we said in steps 1 through 3 above, A, you kind of grasp it, grab it with the opposed edge of the cuff with thumbs and fingers, and twirl the glove to fill with air. So you just grab the glove, grasp it, and give it a whirl, trap the air. And then if you don't have that type of B type thing of just trapping the air, then you could use a pump, which is supposed to be much more effective and to determine if there's any kind of pinhole where air could escape, but where voltage could leak through the glove and penetrate the hand. So our figure 3-5 just basically deals with hand and arm protection.